Greetings everybody, greetings to everybody. Greetings everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you don't know me, my name is Dro. I make reaction videos. Today we're gonna do some Kurdish reactions. I've been gone, I am here. Okay, so I am reading your comments and I want to know what's the tea. What's that tea? So you guys requested Sana Barzanje. Sana Barzanje, okay? I don't know how you pronounce her name. Sana girl. So I'm gonna give her a whirl. Hopefully she is good and not a flop, okay? So let's go. One, two, three. Sana. Oh wow, she sings pretty. She sings pretty. Ronan, okay. Oh wow. Little wow, she sings pretty. Okay, but who is she? Who is she? Where are you? I don't see her. I want to see her face. I feel like Kurdish is like a mixture of like Arabic and like Turkish something mixture. I don't know. It just sounds like that. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm just letting you know. That's why when I hear it, I'm getting a lot like Arabic sounds and like Turkey. Like I don't know. It's just I don't know. Where does Kurdish come from? I don't know exactly. But we're gonna find out. We need to study. I need to study more. You know what I mean? I need to learn more. Oh, that's yeah, I know him. Okay, I don't know where is she. I know people that I know, but where is she? Is this her? Is this her? But I can see her face. Where in the world? Girl, I need to see your face, okay? Oh, maybe it's this girl. Okay, hold on, let me see. Oh, that's her. Oh wow, she is pretty. Like all these people from over there are so pretty. Wow. Is that her? I don't know. Cause she could be a model. I don't know. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh yeah, she's pretty. Navid Sardi. Okay, I know Navid. Where's your face, girl? Okay, hold on. I'm confused why I can't see her face. It's like the Sia of Kurdistan, to be honest, because she doesn't want to see her face. Okay, hold on. Where is your face? You seem so beautiful. Oh, they're going somewhere. Yes. Take me. She sounds beautiful, but it's not her. It's this one, but I can't see the face. Is she ugly? I don't know. Okay, we need to go to Google because it looks like she doesn't wanna like her face. So I need to see. But how would I know who is she? Because oh, she looked like Ariana Grande right here. Is it her? Maybe it's her. I don't know. I can't tell who is she because I haven't seen. Guys, I don't know how she look like. She doesn't want to show her face. But she sings beautiful, I tell you that. Oh wow, I think it's her, but it's not her. She's beautiful too. Oh, he's cute too. Hold on, I want to see her face. Oh wow, yeah, we never got to see her face. I mean, she sings beautiful, but girl, I want to see your face. Is this her? Please let me know in the comments if this is the girl, because I don't know. She sings beautiful, but I would love to see her like person. Maybe she sings live. I don't know. Hold on, let me try this one. I want to see her face. Like I want to see her face. And now I'm really like, she's like Sia, like the Kurdistan Sia, you know? Oh, who is this? Okay. Oh, he's cute. Like he is like, you know, like he is, you know. Okay, here we go again. She doesn't wanna. Is she got something on her face? Is she ugly? Like, I don't know. Sorry. I just want to know why I can't see the face. I don't think so. She's ugly. Like, I think she's pretty. You see, like, can I see her face, girl? Like, I'm trying to see her face. I can't. The only thing I know about this woman is that she seems pretty, but I have no idea what she looked like in the face. And in Google, I don't know who is she. Like, which of these girls is her? Like, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Somebody on Instagram, please tell me who is she. Does she have an Instagram? If she has an Instagram, let me know. Maybe, okay, hold on. Maybe we can go to the Instagram. Does she have an Instagram? Where's her Instagram? Well, she doesn't have an Instagram. Oh gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me go and look her in the Instagram. Maybe we have a, maybe I can find her on Instagram, because right now I need to know what she looks like. She seems pretty. Sana there is this picture right here. Focus. Is that her? Let me know in the comments if this girl is her, because other than that, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Well, there you go, everybody. This was one of the top comments you guys have been requesting. More videos are coming. I'm just doing the best I can. But I love you for enjoying these type of videos and bringing this new music to the world that I feel like not a lot of people is reacting to Kurdish music. I feel like I'm like the first one who started. And I feel like it can be a thing. I don't know. Anyways, as always, comment down below for more. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Hit you with that